The hidden world of microorganisms, how bacteria and viruses shape our lives. You may not see them, but microorganisms like bacteria and viruses are everywhere, shaping life in more ways than you can imagine. Bacteria. Tiny organisms that prove sometimes the smallest things can cause the biggest fuss, like your phone dying at 1%. What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are tiny living things, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, that can only be seen under a microscope. The role of bacteria in digestion. The human gut is home to trillions of bacteria that help break down food and absorb nutrients. Microbes and immunity. Some bacteria in our bodies protect us from harmful pathogens by crowding them out or producing substances that kill them. The good versus bad bacteria. While some bacteria are harmful and cause disease, many are beneficial and essential for life. Viruses and infection. Viruses invade living cells and use them to replicate, often causing illness, like the flu or COVID-19. The microbiome. The microbiome refers to all the microorganisms living in and on the human body, playing a key role in health. Probiotics. Consuming probiotics, or beneficial bacteria, can support gut health and boost the immune system. Bacterial resistance. Overuse of antibiotics can lead to antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which are harder to treat. Bacteria in industry. Bacteria are used in industries for making products like yogurt, cheese, and antibiotics. Viral evolution. Viruses evolve quickly, which is why new vaccines are often needed for diseases like the flu. Symbiotic relationships. Some microorganisms form symbiotic relationships with plants and animals, helping them survive. Viruses in gene therapy. Some viruses are being used in medical research to deliver gene therapy for treating genetic disorders. Environmental impact. Microorganisms are essential in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients in ecosystems. Microorganisms, from bacteria to viruses, are invisible powerhouses that shape our health, environment, and industries. While some cause illness, others are vital for processes like digestion and immunity. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.